change near. Hands guide fear to light. Waves whisper born to fly. Soft smile from afar. She walks past the scorn. Air stills before the lead. Splashes chase her youth. Strong strokes lead her on. Touch the wall first light. Gold gleams courage alive. Warm arms world returns like share love remain. In the quiet light we breathe. Sunlight warm, yet hearts divide. A spark of